Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with just a little update regarding the Pocket Challenge. Today is June 25th, and today is the day that I will be closing my challenge. Now, I know that there are some outstanding entries because I've gotten emails and messages on Facebook from people that they have sent their entries. So I'm all caught up on my videos, so if you guys have mailed your entries, can you please message me the same way you contacted me before, either through email or on Facebook, or leave a comment down below this video and let me know that it's on its way, because I'm going to give it until probably the end of the week. I want to get the people whose entries I do have, I want to be able to get the prizes out. And if you have sent it and you've got tracking, send that to me so we can find out where the package is, because I want to, move along with the challenge. I want to say thank you. First of all, too, because you guys have just been so kind and wonderful to enter my challenge, and from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. It's been a fun experience doing this challenge, as it was last time, and I probably will do another one. Probably not, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I may do another one, towards the end of the year maybe, or early next year. You guys are all so incredibly talented, and I cannot thank you enough for the kindness that you have shown me in entering my challenge, but all importantly, and first of all, on top of everything else, your friendship. I have made so many new wonderful friends through this challenge, and I'm really, really grateful for that, guys. And I really, truly mean that from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for everything that you've done. And even if you couldn't enter this time and you said you wanted to enter again next time, thank you for that as well. It's so wonderful to be able to talk to you guys. You're all so talented. You've just blown me away with your talent. You really do. So let me know if you have not seen a video with your pockets, then I don't have it. So today is the last day. I'm going to close it. I'll keep it open till midnight tonight, but after, I'm just not going to accept any more entries, because I want to, move forward with the prizes and things like that, because you guys have been all so wonderful. So let me know if your package is still outstanding, because I know there's a few. So let me know if you know the status of that package. You guys know who you are, so let me know. And I will be back as soon as I've heard from everybody with the outstanding packages, and then we'll move forward with doing the drawing so I can get your wonderful prizes out to you guys. So, but again, thank you so, so much for everything. You guys are amazing. So thank you, and I will be back soon. Bye, guys. Mwah! Thank you.